Hi guys, this is Diksha Chhabra, a fitness expert and founder of Diksha Chhabra Fitness Consultations. And if you are trying to tone up your loose and flabby arms, this routine is just for you. We are going to do some very effective exercises and you do not need any set of equipments. So let's get started. Let's start with our first exercise, which is half push-ups. Push-ups might sound stressful to you at the beginning stage, but this variation can be a great way to work on your arms and upper body. Also, balancing on your knees instead of your feet is another good modification while you build your strength. Begin in a hand and knees position with your gaze at the floor. Place your hands on the ground on either side of your shoulders. Your knees should be at a comfortable distance apart. Inhale as you slowly lower down your elbows to bring your chest towards the ground. Be sure to keep your core muscles contracted. Exhale as you push up from the ground to your starting position. We'll do this 10 to 15 times or 40 seconds in continuation, followed with 20 seconds of break. Now moving on to tricep dips. It is one of those easy moves that gets the job done. Tone the backs of your arms with classic tricep dips. Position your hands shoulder width apart on the floor, feet placed about hip width apart on the floor. Straighten your arms and keep a little bend on your elbows in order to always keep tension on your triceps and off your elbow joints. Now slowly bend at your elbows and lower your hips. Once you reach the bottom of the movement, slowly press off with your hands and push yourself straight back up to the starting position. This counts as one rep. We will do 10 to 15 reps or 40 seconds in continuation, followed by 20 seconds of break. Might sound easy, but this power pack movement is calorie burner. You can feel the tension all over the arms. We'll do power punches. So stand shoulder width apart, close your fist and punch forward with full energy. Keep breathing out with every punch to maintain the momentum. We'll do 20 punches each side or 40 seconds in continuation, followed by 20 seconds of break. Now it's turn to do the same movement in different direction. We will do overhead punches, which again target all the arm muscles. Keep your lower body nice and stable to isolate the movement of your upper body. Now again with full energy, throw your punches overhead. We'll do 20 punches each side or 40 seconds in continuation, followed by 20 seconds of break. Tabletop elbow to palm is an effective way to focus only on your arm muscles other than your upper body. Maintain a tabletop position with neutral spine and from here bend your elbows in a circuit motion. Bring both your arms palm to elbow one by one and then back to the starting position. Again, we are going to do 20 repetitions on each side or 40 seconds in continuation, followed by a 20 seconds of break.